We're going to create a stage 4 Sierpinski triangle in GeoGebra. So first we will get rid of this grid, and if we click the X, should take care of that, and we'll click on the white to get a white screen. We want to start with a polygon, so we'll click there and click in 3 places to get our points and back to the original. Now to do Sierpinski triangle, we want to find the midpoints of these sides. So if we go under our point menu and find midpoint, and if we click on these ends, it will create the midpoint. We'll do it for each of the sides. Now we will connect those 3 points with a polygon. We would like to do something to make this center triangle look cut out, so we can color it white and it will. So I'm going to right click on it to get object properties for it. And then I'm going to choose color, white. We'll change the opacity to very bright. And style, let's go to thin. So we'll change its appearance a little bit. And now we have white in that center part, so it looks cut out. Let's make the other part of the outside brighter. So I did a right click on part of that triangle to get object properties. And style, we'll go ahead and put that to 0. Color, let's make this a nice bright. We'll make it purple. And we'll change the opacity to very bright. We have a nice triangle. This would be a stage 1. And we are going to create a tool. So what we want to do is select this middle part that we did. And if we hold our right mouse button down and go over it to select it, we want to try not to get the outside points in, the original 3. All right, so I have selected. I will go under Tools, Create New Tool. It has the things I want in there, so I'll click Next, and it has my original input. I'll click Next. We will call these ST1 for Sierpinski Triangle Tool 1. Finish. And now we have a tool. So it's up here under the wrench. Then we will apply the tool to each of these triangles, and it will cut it out. We'll do it to each one. One more time. Then we would like to make another tool and include all of this part to go into each triangle. We want to highlight the part that we want to select. And I'm just holding down the right mouse button. Now it's selected. I will go to Tool, Create New Tool. It has all of our parts in there. Click Next, our input A, B, and C. Next, and we'll call this ST2. Finish. And we have a new tool. So we'll go under our wrench and we'll select the new tool. We have a stage 2 tool, and we're going to apply it onto a stage 2 triangle. That will give us a stage 4. So now I will click the vertices, and it should apply. So we'll do that to each of our triangles. One more. There we go. Now we would like to take all these vertices out, the black ones from the inside. So I am going to just right click on the object, see if I can see all of it. I will go in here and highlight all the points. So I'm just moving the mouse over to get them in the gray. I want to make sure that my polylines are not lit, or my polygons. I am going to uncheck the show. And then we'll look, and our vertices are all gone. Let's put back the end ones. So if we turn our object properties back on, select A, B, and C, and they are blue. Click Show Object. Then we should have our vertices on. We can go on any of these endpoints, and let me go back to clear button there, and drag it if we like. It will still keep the Sierpinski triangle form.